Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the app with the keyboard, so for example messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and right now we have to enter the settings. Right now just upon the languages, and as you can see here we've got a lot of languages added actually, so let me show you how to add new one. Just upon add a keyboard, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically just find yours and tap on it. So let me pick Urdu for example, and if you want to you can always tap on the search icon and enter your language. Pick the region, and here we've got the keyboard modes from which you can choose. So let's pretend I want to use this one. So let me tap on it, mark it, and untick this option. I don't need it. So let's tap on done, and as you can see our language immediately immediately appeared on this list, which simply means that it has been added to the keyboard. Now let me show you how we can actually set it, because as you can see here we've got the keyboard. If you will have only one language applied, and the spacebar will be empty, what is more, you will not have this icon. Right now we have it because we've got a lot of languages. So this is a globe icon which will allow us to change the language, and on the spacebar you can always check which keyboard you've got currently on. So right now I've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Ukrainian one, I believe, and the Greek, and here we've got our Urdu, which we just added. So basically this is how it works, and if you want to leave only one language on your keyboard, you will have to enter the settings here, tap on the languages again, and here from this tab just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the languages you'd like to remove, tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see we've got only English left, and right here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.